Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you how we can create a card in Google Docs. So first of all, we will go to our Gmail. So we will type in the address bar gmail.com and then you log in with your username and password for the Gmail. And then in order to get to the Google Docs, we will go to the top right corner and then you can see the 9 dots where it says Google Apps. So you can point your cursor there. And we click here and then we scroll down and we find Docs. So you open the Docs. And then we will move our cursor to a blank document. And then we will click and open a new document. Now in here, we can increase the page size. We will go up to 150%. And if you want, you can change the font size to 14. Okay, now we will start to make a card. So first of all, we will go to File. In the Home toolbar, we will go to File. Click here, and then we will go to Page Setup. Down here, you can see Page Setup. Click on Page Setup, and then we will change the margins. Change it to, it will be in portrait in here, portrait. And then choose landscape. Don't choose portrait, choose landscape. And then we will change the margins from 2.54 and we will click here, backspace to delete, and then we will change it to 0.5. And then the same with the bottom, we click into the box and then backspace to delete. And then we change it to 0.5. And we do the same with the left. Delete this one, 0.5. And this one is also delete. And then we change to 0.5. Done. And after we finish this one, where do we go? We will click OK. And we change the page setup a little bit. And you can see that we make the page, the margins bigger. Now we are ready for making the card. So we will go to the Home toolbar again. In the case you don't see the Home toolbar, you don't see File, Edit, View, Insert, those tabs, maybe you go to the arrow on the right-hand side, and then it's hidden somewhere. We click on it, and then we click on it again, it appears. Click on this one, so the tabs disappear, and we click on this one, it appears. Anyway, in the case you can't see it, maybe you go to the arrow on the right-hand side and you click on it and the tabs will appear. But in here, my tabs, my Home toolbar is here. So I will go to the next thing, which is Format. Yeah, I want to change my page to 2 columns. So I go here because one column will be for the picture, the cover picture, and then the other side is an A4 and you fold it in half. So the other side will be for some words that you want to write, some greetings that you want to write on your card. So over here, we will click and make it into 2 columns. And now it's 2 columns already. 1 column on the left and then 1 column on the right-hand side. So the right-hand side, we will use it for the picture. And the left-hand side, we will use it for the greetings, the words on the card that you want to send to someone. So we can enter. So we can go to the other side. So we tap enter one at a time, and we go to the other side of the page. Okay, backspace to go up. And now in here, I will make it down to 125 because, yeah, I want to see the edges of the page. So in here, you see your cursor is here. So we have moved to the other side of the column by pressing enter. So in here, I will go to insert. And then I will insert an image. So we can search the web in here, and then in search in Google Images, we will search for an image because Father's Day is coming soon. So let's make a Father's Day greeting card. So in here, I will type in the search. I will type Father's Day. And then I press enter. And I will choose a picture that I like. What picture is good? I think I like this one. So I will choose this one. So I click on this one and I go down and I click insert. So I've got this one. I can make it a little bit smaller, or I can move it down a little bit. So where did it go? It disappeared. I will Control Z, and then it's here again. So how can I move it down? I will go here and then I will move it down this way. So I move it down a little bit. Okay, so I've got this one. In the case I want to change the color of this one, I will click on the image and then I will go to image options here, and then we can recolor it a little bit. No recolor. So it's just black and white, everyone. There is no recolor. Let's try if we see any adjustment. There is no recolor option in here, so it's just one color. Okay, so we can't change the color for this one. Anyway, I will have to go with that. So this is on the cover of it. Now we will move back to the other column, the column on the left-hand side. How do I move to the column on the left-hand side? So you will move the cursor into the left-hand side where you want your typing or your greetings to be. And then I will click here on the top. Let's see if it's the top or not. So I can do the arrow up and then I move it to the top. Okay, so in here, I want a small picture. And then under the picture, I want to do some writing, some greetings. So in here, I will click insert again because I want to find an image. So I go again to search the web. And this one, I want my card to be sort of like rectangle. So I will try to find something that is rectangle. Okay, I think I will try this one. Let's see how it looks. So insert in here. So my picture is now go down to the second page. I will pull it up. So I will move it up. I will click here and I will move my picture up. Backspace, 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 backspace. Okay, so I move my picture up here. Backspace, 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 and move my picture up to where I want. Yes, So this is just the right size that I'm happy with. My happy Father's Day. So this is just the size I want. So this is like on the back of my card. Now, what I will do is I will go down here and I click like on the right hand side of the picture because I want to go to a new line. So I will press enter and I go to a new line. So everyone, we move to the side and then we click and then you see the cursor like